Before I wrap up this series on reverse ETL, I wanted to share an event with you that Census is doing called Census. And of course, Census is the tool that I've been using to do some of the demonstrations inside this series. I've put the link in the description so you can go ahead and process the sync yourself. They provide instructions. In fact, I've got it up on my screen now. Just 4 steps to go ahead and process a sync that contains your email address, name, and physical address, so they can actually send you the swag. If you've been watching the series, this will be really easy for you to do. In fact, I'm going to go back into my sync page here. On the Get Started page, or the Quick Start page, you'll see sync some sweet Census swag to yourself, and go ahead and start that process. It's really, really fast. They'll go ahead and create the sample model for you in SQL. So if you're not that great of a SQL programmer yourself, or if you don't know SQL real well, you'll be able to do this yourself pretty easily. Just remember that you want to change the information that's inside the single quotes here. For example, where it says your first name, you'll go ahead and type in your information for everything, the shirt style that you want. There's a run SQL, and then this orange shirt here that says structured query language on it. I think I'm going to go for the run SQL one. That one's pretty cool. So fill out that information, go ahead and save your model, and then once you've saved your model, you'll go back to the syncs page. And when you're there, you'll go ahead and add a new sync. Choose the Redshift demo cluster as your connection, and then the sync a swag entry form as your source. And then where you're going to sync the data to is the sync a swag connection. Now those connections will have already been created for you as part of this process. You'll just choose email as the identifier, and everything else will be visually mapped for you. And then you can go ahead and run it, and you have swag. Of course, this is a plug for you to get in and use the software, which I really hope that you do, but go ahead and pull yourself some cool swag at the same time. Now, I happen to have some here that I got from Census, which is really nice. They gave me some socks here, and they've already been worn. A Census shirt, which was really cool. And they describe reverse ETL as operational analytics, which is sort of another name for it. And then also a bag. And this bag, if I could turn it the right way, this bag is really my wife uses it all the time. It's incredibly valuable when she goes to the store to put her groceries in the store, gives her like 5-cent discount if she uses her own bag rather than a plastic bag or paper bag. So there you go. That's it. That's a wrap on this series. I'm still going to continue to do some content around reverse ETL, so this isn't going to go away. I hope to have more and bring more, especially from the Census side, because they've been good partners to me in this process. So go ahead and reach out, give me your comments. As everyone says, smash the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. That way you'll get notifications around new content that I publish, Alteryx, Power BI, and everything else. See you on the next one.